Hi guys, this is Harasmita Rajkumar. Welcome to the next video of interpretation, which is based on the line charts or line graphs. So without further ado, let's quickly get into the video. Now, in a school, the periodical examination are held every second month. Okay, so in the session during April 2021 and March 2022, a student of class 9 appeared for each periodical exam. The aggregate marks are obtained by him in each of the periodical exam is given below. So marks obtained, I hope you can read, marks obtained by a student in 6 periodical held in 2 months during. So basically this is an examination pie chart of a class 11 or class 9 student. So it is a periodical examination. So every 2 months it is held and his marks are given below. So the total marks is marks is 500 and April, June, August, October, November, February. So every 2 months it is held, and these are his marks. It is gradually increased from 360 to 405. So kindly take a screenshot of it right now in your phone and just keep it beside you while I'm telling you. Screenshot it in some other phone also if you're watching it in phone. So that you will be able to answer without going back. I'm not going back. I have a screenshot beside me so I can answer. Okay. So now, in which periodical exam did he score the highest percentage increase? So for finding the increase in percentage, you have to take the next month minus the previous month divided by the previous month. So generally, if I'm scoring 90 in November, next month I'm scoring 100. From 90, I have to find the increase percentage. So the denominator will always be the previous month. Okay. Only then you can find the increase. Okay. Increase in mark or percentage. Okay. So now for June 1, it is 365 minus 360 by 360 into 100. So you will be getting 1.39 percentage. Then for August 1, you will be having 370 minus 365 by 365 into 100. So basically this month. Okay, I hope you understood. Which will be 1.37 percentage. Now for October 1, what you will be having is 385. Okay, so 385 minus 370 by 370 into 100 is equal to 4.05. Okay, percentage. So likewise for December 1, what I'll be having 400. I have to check the bar graph. Kindly go check it. Okay, I have already have the bar graph right now here. So minus 385 by 385 into 100 is equal to 3.90 percentage. Okay, so this is the percentage. Now for February 2, same way 404 minus 400 by 400 into 100. So percentage, which is nothing but 1.25 percentage. Okay. Now they asked us which month is the highest. So for December 1 only, sorry, not for December 1, for October 1 only, we have 4.05. So for October 1 only, the percentage of mark is highest. Okay. Now let us go for the next one. Total number of marks obtained in February 2. What is the percentage of? Is the percentage of total marks. So basically they're telling total number of marks obtained in February 2 is what percentage of mark. So they are just asking what percentage of total marks is in April. So basically we know that in February too he has clearly obtained 405. Sorry, this is 405. Okay, there won't be any big difference. There will be some point difference. So 405. And in April 1, he got 360. So April 1, he got 360. Okay, into 100. So that will be a total percentage. So which is 112.5 percentage is your answer. So to February divided by April, only then you can find the percentage of total marks. So which is 100. So this much percent he increased. He's a good child, I guess. Not a good child. He's studying well or working hard. Yeah. So 112.5. I didn't mean to say good child. So everyone is good child. Okay. Now, what is a percentage of marks scored by a student in periodical exam on August 1 and October 1? Okay. So, for August 1 and October 1, so August 1 it is 370 and October 1 it is 385. So, total, what is the percentage of marks obtained by students in both together? So, for out of 500 in August he scored 370. Out of 500 in October he scored 380. So into 100. So that will be having as 355 by 1000 into 100. So you will be having 75.5 percentage. So this is what you will be having. So what is the question which you're having, which is 75.5 percentage. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. What is the average marks obtained by students in all periodical examination during the last session? So I have to add all the mark divided by 6 because you have 6 months. It's written in the 6 months was given in the line graph. So I'm just dividing by 6. If your months are 5, divide by 5. So it is 360 plus 365 plus 370 plus 385 plus 400 plus 405 by 6. So you will be having it as 380.83. So which is approximately 381. So your approximate answer is 381. So I hope you understood this question. Okay, so I guess that's all for today's session. I hope you liked this video regarding data interpretation. So line graph, it became really simple. If you want more such complicated sums in line graphs, I'll let you just let me know. I'll just put videos on it. And we have already put a video on data interpretation bar graph. So kindly check it. We'll also put on table graphs if possible and pie chart also. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day. Bye.